Everyone says push reel mowers are a pain. Too heavy, too slow, too hard to use. But what if that's mostly a myth? In this video, I'm testing 5 reel mowers that prove the critics wrong. These aren't just easy to push. Some of them actually make mowing feel effortless, even on tougher grass. Stick around, because everything you thought you knew about reel mowers is about to be challenged. At number 5, we have the Fiskars StaySharp Max reel mower is the one that makes you question the manual mowers are hard narrative the most. At over 50 pounds, it looks intimidating. You expect to feel like you're pushing a steel box through sand. Instead, the inertia drive system and StaySharp blades do the heavy lifting for you. I pushed it across a thick St. Augustine lawn, which usually bogs down lightweight mowers, and it glided surprisingly smoothly. The blades slice cleanly with less friction because they don't rely on constant blade-to-blade contact. You still push, of course, but the resistance is far lower than the weight suggests. Heavier actually helps maintain momentum. Adjusting the cutting height from 1 to 4 inches is done with a single lever, so you never struggle with fiddly bolts mid-mow. The reversible chute also prevents clumps and messy pushbacks that usually make reel mowers feel annoying. In short, yes, it's heavy, but it's not hard to use in the traditional sense. It's a long runner that feels easier the longer you push. At number 4, we have the American Lawnmower 18-inch push reel mower is where people get it wrong about small and mid-sized mowers. Some say 18-inch reels are too hard to push, but this one proves otherwise. The 5-blade reel cuts cool season grasses cleanly, and the large rear wheels roll over slight bumps effortlessly. On a standard suburban lawn, I never felt like I was wrestling with it. It just guides along with a natural walking pace. Resistance only becomes noticeable if the grass is unusually tall or wet, which is fair to expect for any reel mower. Height adjustment is tool-free and intuitive, so you don't waste energy tweaking knobs. What's important here is that the resistance is predictable, not sudden or punishing. If you mow consistently, this one feels easier than you'd think.
Number 3, we have the Great State 16-inch reel mower really proves that mid-sized, lightweight reel mowers don't have to be a workout nightmare. At around 27 pounds, it's heavier than some of the ultralight beginner reels, but that extra weight is actually a benefit rather than a burden. It gives the mower stability over uneven terrain, so you're not constantly correcting your push as the wheels hit tiny bumps or dips. The 5-blade reel spins smoothly and consistently, which means you're not fighting it with each stroke. The blades do the slicing for you, rather than dragging against the grass. I tested it on a lawn that had a mix of crabgrass and Bermuda grass types that usually trip up lightweight reels by jamming or giving uneven resistance. Surprisingly, the push never spiked, and I didn't have to pause to adjust or realign my path. Tool-free height adjustment is another subtle convenience. You can change the cutting height quickly without stopping the mower for a wrench or screwdriver, which saves effort and keeps your rhythm going. The back wheels are large enough to roll smoothly over small slopes or rough spots, yet the mower remains light enough that anyone can control it without strain. What proves this isn't hard to use is the way the push stays steady and predictable even across slightly uneven areas. You feel in control the entire time, and the weight actually helps maintain forward momentum. For a mid-sized lawn or a yard that's occasionally patchy or uneven, this mower challenges the common fear that reel mowers are difficult to handle. At number 4, we have the Scotts Outdoor Power Tools 2000-20S 20-inch classic reel mower is probably the model that surprises skeptics the most. When you hear 20-inch reel, you assume it's going to drag and fight your every step. That's exactly what I thought, but pushing it across a flat, medium-sized lawn covered in ryegrass and bluegrass proved the opposite. The wide deck lets you cover more area per pass, which means fewer back-and-forth trips and less overall effort. The 5-blade system spins smoothly and keeps engagement consistent, so you don't have to push harder at certain spots or deal with uneven cutting. Of course, if you let the grass get taller than normal, you'll feel more resistance, but that's a universal truth for any reel mower, not a flaw of this design. The large dual wheels make stability a non-issue, and you're not constantly wobbling or adjusting your stance mid-walk, which is usually the part people associate with hard to push. What really proves the myth wrong is how it feels per square foot. Despite the wider deck, it actually reduces effort overall because you're making fewer passes, and the resistance is predictable, not sudden. For someone skeptical about using a large manual mower, this one shows that size doesn't automatically equal a difficult, tiring experience. It can actually make mowing faster and smoother. The American Lawnmower Company 1204-14 14-inch reel mower is the one I would recommend to anyone who's tried a reel mower before and sworn off the concept because it just wasn't worth it. At just about 20 pounds, it's genuinely light, and that lightness isn't a handicap, it's a feature. The 4-blade reel spins smoothly on thin, well-maintained grass, and because there's less deck width to drag through the turf, you'll find that your push stays light and predictable throughout the session. What surprises most people isn't that it's easy, it's how much more intuitive it feels compared to bulky or poorly designed reels. Tight corners, flower beds, trees, and other obstacles that normally make a manual mower feel like a chore are actually pretty easy to navigate with this one. Its small footprint lets you pivot naturally without fighting the mower. Sure, it won't power through thick, tall, or overgrown grass, but that's not the point. For townhouses, courtyards, or lawns that get mowed weekly, the predictable, nearly effortless push makes mowing feel more like a chore you get done instead of one you dread. If you've ever written off reel mowers as too difficult, this is the kind of model that proves that assumption wrong. Light enough to control with one hand if you need to, smooth enough that you don't feel like you're dragging it, and simple enough that mowing becomes almost relaxing. So, there you have it. 5 push reel mowers that prove that too hard to use myth is mostly overblown. The truth is, the right mower for your yard can make manual mowing smooth, predictable, and even kind of satisfying. Of course, none of these are magic. Overgrown grass or the wrong model will still give you a workout, but for regular lawns, these mowers glide rather than fight. If you've been avoiding reel mowers because of the horror stories, it might be time to give one a shot. Which one would you try first? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious if your experience will match what I found.